Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming Sketchup's autosave settings so you know where files go and how often they're written. Open Preferences General, then note the autosave interval and folder path. This tells you when backups appear and how many versions to expect. Once done, use your file manager to navigate to the default paths, app data on Windows or library on Mac, and sort by date. Make sure to enable viewing hidden folders if you don't immediately see the Sketchup support directory. Next, identify candidate backup files by extension and timestamp. You want the most recent intact copy. If a file ends with skb or back, duplicate it and change the extension to skp so Sketchup recognizes it. Once renamed, open the copy in Sketchup rather than the original to avoid accidental overwrites. If files seem corrupted, try earlier timestamps. Also make sure autosave intervals aren't too long going forward, so future work has more frequent restore points. To finish, verify the recovered model by opening it and checking key geometry. If Sketchup fails to open the recovered SKP, try importing it into a blank file or opening it with an older Sketchup release. Sometimes compatibility helps. If backups are missing, check Cloud Sync or external drives next. As a preventive measure, reduce autosave intervals, keep version backups, and periodically export important projects. If things still go wrong, stop editing the folder and copy backups elsewhere before further attempts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.